Hello friends, today we'll start your next topic, that is indeterminate forms from first unit and type number 5. Type number next type, that is type number 5th. Okay, now up to date, up to last lecture we have discussed the type number first, that is 0 by 0 form, type number second, that is infinity by infinity, also type third, fourth, correct. Now today we will discuss the type number 5th forms. This type contains the different forms: 0 raised to 0 comma infinity raised to 0 comma 1 raised to infinity. Okay, these are the also indeterminate forms. Okay, these are the also indeterminate forms, that is whose value is not fixed. Okay, now first of all we will discuss how to solve such type of examples. See here, something raised to something, correct, 0 raised to 0, then infinity raised to 0, then 1 raised to infinity. Such type of examples, first we have to apply the log on the both the side. If we apply log on the both the sides, then after that or I will write here, suppose I will write some theory. Suppose limit x tends to a, f of x raised to g of x. Okay, limit x tends to a, f of x raised to g of x, and if we put x is equal to a, we get this limit as either 0 raised to 0 or infinity raised to 0 or 1 raised to infinity. Okay, this belongs to any type, that is, you see 0 raised to 0 or infinity raised to 0 or 1 raised to infinity. Okay, at that time we have to apply log on the both the sides. Suppose this is your L, apply log on the both the side, apply log, we get limit x tends to a, apply log, this goes to this side, तो क्या जाएगा g of x into log of f of x. Okay, we get this. Okay, now this belongs to either 0 into infinity, जो अभी हमने अभी देखा है, either this belongs to 0 into infinity or the infinity minus infinity. Okay, either this belongs to, suppose this belongs to 0 cross infinity or infinity minus infinity or infinity by infinity or 0 by 0. Okay, after applying the log, this form directly converted it to 0 cross infinity or infinity minus infinity or infinity by infinity or 0 by 0. Okay, then apply this logic for solving such type of problem. Here only one more step is important for this form, basically apply log on the both the sides. Okay, this is your first step, nothing else. Okay, now we will start examples on that forms. Okay, this is your theory, this is your basic idea. Okay, now we will start directly examples on this form. Evaluate example first. Evaluate limit x tends to pi by 2 cos of x raised to cos of x. Okay, we will find answer of this question. Okay, now see here limit x tends to pi by 2, limit is x tends to pi by 2, cos सेम है, सेम. तो देखो इन आंसर कंसीडर स्टेप फर्स्ट एज यूजुअल, कंसीडर L as limit x tends to pi by 2 cos of x raised to cos of x. Okay, cos of x raised to cos of x. Sorry. Now second step, apply or put x is equal to 0 directly. Sorry, put x is equal to pi by 2 directly. Put x is equal to pi by 2. तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? पुट x इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई टू क्या जाएगा? दिस इज एल इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई टू, कॉस पाई बाई टू इज 0, cos pi by 2 is 0, we get 0 raised to 0 form, correct? We get 0 raised to 0 form. This belongs to 0 raised to 0 form. Then if directly question belongs to this form, then second step क्या है? Apply log on the both the sides. Apply log both the sides. Here log is log of L, limit x tends to pi by 2. Here this cos goes to this side, cos of x into log of cos x. Okay, this after applying log, this cos goes to this side directly. Okay, now replace x as pi by 2. Put x as pi by 2. Therefore we get log of L, here cos pi by 2 is 0 into cos pi by 2 0 and log 0 is infinity. We get the form 0 cross infinity. 0 cross infinity. Then converted the 0 cross infinity as infinity by infinity or 0 by 0. Okay, therefore we get the log of L. Therefore log of PL is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2, limit x tends to pi by 2. This cos x can be written as 1 by sec, correct? So log of cos x as it is, log of cos x as it is, in divide this cos can be written as 1 by sec, 1 by sec x. Then put x is equal to pi by 2 given limit. Okay, now put x as pi by 2, we get log of L is equal to, यहाँ पे log of cos pi by 2 is 0 and log of 0 is infinity, and divide by this sec is also infinity, sec pi by 2 is infinity. We get the form infinity by infinity form. Then what is your next target? Next target is apply L'Hopital to both the side. Okay, apply L'Hopital. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा? L'Hopital rule. तो टेल मी यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? log of L is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2. Derivative of log of cos x. We know that derivative of log f of x. Answer is 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. तो क्या जाएगा? 1 upon f of x, that is 1 upon f of x का डिफरेंशिएशन cos x, 1 upon cos x into cos का डिफरेंशिएशन minus sin x, correct? 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. And derivative of sec x, we know that the derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x. We get this log of L is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2. Here is minus sin, here is tan, sin by cos, tan x upon sec x into tan x, correct? Sin by cos is tan. Then tan get cancel, tan get cancel. तो क्या जाएगा? log of L is equal to minus limit x tends to pi by 2, but 1 by sec is cos x. Then replace x as pi by 2, we get cos of pi by 2 and cos pi by 2 is 0. This implies log of L is equal to 0, and this implies taking apply E on the both the side, apply E, we get L is equal to e ka power 0 is equal to 1. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay, this is your first example from the type number 5th. Okay, if 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0 or 1 raised to infinity. Okay, so first step, apply log on the both the side. We directly converted the problem 0 into infinity, then convert it into infinity by infinity. Okay, then apply the rule, L'Hospital rule, we get required answer. ओके हियर, हाँ यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो सकती है. लॉग ऑफ एल इज इक्वल टू 0 implies L as e raised to 0. Apply e on the both the side. E ka power 0. We know that e raised to 0 is 1. Okay. So this is your example first. Now we will solve the next example on the same topic. Evaluate limit x tends to 0. Evaluate limit x tends to 0. 1 by x. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 in bracket 1 by x raised to 2 sin x. 1 by x raised to 2 sin x. Now look on the board. Here we will find answer of this problem 1 by x raised to 2 sin x. Okay. So लिखो consider in answer. Consider L is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by x raised to 2 sin x. Okay. 1 by x raised to 2 sin x. Now put x as 0. Put x as 0. So we get L is equal to, replace x as 0. 1 by 0 क्या जाएगा? Infinity raised to sin 0 is 0. Then we get the form infinity raised to 0. This is your form. Correct. Infinity raised to 0. If the form belongs to 0 raised to 0 or infinity raised to 0 or 1 raised to infinity, at that time we have to apply log on the both the side. Correct. Apply log on both sides. Therefore we get here log of L is equal to limit x tends to 0. This goes to this side due to log 2 sin x into log 1 by x. Okay, log 1 by x. But this 1 by x can be written as, therefore log L, this can be written as minus log of x. Okay, take minus outside, minus 2 as it is, limit x tends to 0 sin x log of x. Okay, I will write here minus because log of 1 by x can be written as minus log of x. Okay, by using the property log a divided by b is nothing but log of a minus log of b. Okay, now put x tends to 0. Put x is equal to 0. We get log of L is equal to sin 0 क्या जाएगा? 0 into log of 0 क्या जाएगा? Infinity. Now this belongs to the form 0 cross infinity. Correct? 0 cross infinity. Okay. Then convert this into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Okay. So now this is, therefore log of L is equal to this minus 2 as it is, minus 2 limit x tends to 0. This sign can be written as 1 by cosec. Correct. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? log of x divided by sin can be written as 1 by cosec. Okay. Now put x tends to 0. Now put x as 0. Put x is equal to 0. Now tell me क्या मिलेगा? This is log of L is equal to log 0 डिवाइड बाय sec 0. sin 0 क्या है 0, sin 0 0, तो sec 0 क्या जाएगा इन्फिनिटी. दिस बिलोंग्स टू infinity by infinity form. Okay, this belongs to infinity by infinity. Your form is infinity by infinity form. Okay, because 2 into this anything, answer is the same. Okay, now we get infinity by infinity form, then apply the L'Hopital rule. Okay, apply L'Hopital rule. क्या मिलेगा? Therefore log of L is equal to -2 limit x tends to 0. Derivative of log x, this is 1 by x and whole divided by derivative of cosec x, this is minus cosec x into cot x, minus cosec x into cot x. Correct. Now write this minus into minus क्या जाएगा plus. Limit x tends to 0. This is cosec goes to sin x. This 1 by x goes to x into 1 by cot goes to tan x. Okay. Now apply the limit and solve. We get log of L is equal to 2 limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x into, separate the limit with respect to multiplication, limit x tends to 0 tan of x. Correct. Now solve this. Log of L is equal to, this is 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x, answer is 1, into tan 0, answer is 0. So we get log of L is equal to 0 implies L is equal to e ka power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, this is your answer. Apply e on the both side, we get value of L. Okay, here is log of L. For this purpose we have to apply e on the both the side. Here log and e get cancelled, here e ka power 0, that is 1. Okay, same problem, same thing. If we get, after putting limit directly, if we get the form 0 raised to 0 or infinity raised to 0 or 1 raised to infinity, your first target, apply log on the both the sides, then solve. Okay, now we will discuss the example third on the same topic. Example third, this is your example second. Example third, evaluate limit x tends to 0 in bracket a raised to x plus b raised to x divided by 2 and bracket raised to 1 by x. Bracket raised to 1 by x. Now look on the board. This is your given problem. Evaluate the limit x tends to 0 a raised to x plus b raised to x divided by 2 whole raised to 1 by x. Okay. Now consider in answer, consider L as limit x tends to 0 a raised to x plus b raised to x divided by 2 raised to 1 by x. Okay. Now put limit x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. So we get L is equal to, we get a raised to x is 0 तो क्या मिलेगा 1 plus b raised to x is 0 क्या मिलेगा 1 divided by 2 raised to 1 by x is 0 तो क्या जाएगा infinity. This is 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2, this is 1 raised to infinity, and this belongs to the form 1 raised to infinity. This belongs to the form 1 raised to infinity. Correct. Now second step, apply log on the both the side. Correct. Apply log on both साइड्स, तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे log ऑफ यल इज इक्वल टू लिमिट x टेंस टू 0, here 1/x as it is, log a raised to x plus b raised to x whole divided by 2. Okay, by using the property this goes to this side. Now put x tends to 0, put x is equal to 0, तो क्या मिलेगा वो log of l is equal to here, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 1/0, here is 0, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा log of 1, करेक्ट, a raised to x, x is 0, b raised to x, x is 0, 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2 1, that is log of 1, and this belongs to 0/0 form, करेक्ट, log of 1 is 0 divided by 0, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा फॉर्म 0 divided by 0, correct. The next step, apply L'Hospital rule to the step, correct, apply L'Hospital rule, correct, apply L'Hospital rule, तो क्या जाएगा log of L as it is, log of L as it is, limit x टेंस टू 0 एज इट इज, हियर यहाँ पे क्या है 1/x, x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा 1, लिखने की जरूरत है क्या, नो नहीं, डिवाइड में क्या है x का डेरिवेटिव क्या जाएगा 1, वो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, आई विल राइट ओनली डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस, ओके, log ऑफ f ऑफ x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log f ऑफ x आंसर खाता है 1/f ऑफ x इंटू f डैश ऑफ x, तो क्या जाएगा 1/a raised to x plus b raised to x divided by 2 into d by dx of a raised to x plus b raised to x divided by 2. Okay, derivative of log f of x, answer is 1/f of x into f dash of x. Here is 1/x, x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा 0, डिवाइड में क्या है x, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0, हाँ सॉरी, इन डिवाइड x एंड x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1, वो लिखने की जरूरी नहीं है. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस, दिस इज limit x tends to 0, 1/a raised to x plus b raised to x divided by 2 into derivative of this, derivative of a raised to x into log of a plus derivative of b raised to x into log of b whole divided by 2. Okay, now put limit x tends to 0, put limit x tends to 0, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 1/a raised to 0 1, b raised to 0 1, a raised to 0 plus b raised to 0 divided by 2 in bracket, यहाँ पे a raised to 0 log of a plus b raised to 0 log of b whole divided by 2, correct. Now simplify this, here a raised to 0 1, b raised to 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 divided by 2 1, correct, a raised to 0 1, b raised to 0 1, यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा log of a plus log of b, log of a plus log of b divided by 2, correct. Now apply the rule of logarithm, take 1/2 as it is, this addition can be written as log of ab, correct, log of ab, log of a plus log of b, this is your log of ab, this 1/2 goes to this side, तो क्या जाएगा log of ab raised to 1/2, okay, but this is your log of l, this is your log of l, log of l is equal to ab raised to 1/2, तो क्या करना है, cancel log on the both the side, we get l is equal to ab raised to 1/2, this is your answer, okay, this is your answer. क्या करना है, same method, same procedure. If you put direct limit and question goes to this form, so first step apply log on the both the side, then solve. Okay, now I will give 2-3 more examples for homework. Okay, this is your example third. Now example fourth, limit x tends to 0, evaluate the following. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus tan x raised to cot x raised to cot x. Then example fifth, limit x tends to pi by 2, sec x raised to cot x. And example 6, limit x tends to e. Okay, this is your example 5th, limit x tends to pi by 2, sec x raised to cot x. Example 6, limit x tends to e, log of x raised to 1 upon 1 minus log of x. Okay, these are the examples depending upon this type 5th, that is 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0 and 1 raised to infinity. Okay, try to solve all these example. Okay, now I will give one remark. If one important remark on that for MCQ specially, a remark, if your question is limit x tends to a, f of x raised to f of x, f of x raised to f of x. Okay, answer is always e raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, limit x tends to a, f of x raised to f of x, same है, power is same, यहाँ पे f of x, यहाँ पे f of x, answer is always 1. Okay, now this is all about the indeterminate forms. Okay, in next section we will start your next part, that is Taylor and Maclaurin series. Okay.